So a free giveaway to acquire the details from that particular individual is known as the lead magnet. You give them something free of cost so that you can acquire the details of individuals. Now, please have a look. These are certain things that can be used as lead magnets. These are the types of lead magnets. You can give them ebooks. You can give them case studies. You can invite them over to a webinar, just like I'm doing a webinar or a training right now. You can give them video, a very powerful video, maybe for 25 minutes, maybe for 30 minutes, right? Or maybe you provide them with a series of videos, or you give them certain consultation, maybe one-to-one, maybe one-to-many. You would only be able to provide a one-to-one consultation if you have a high-end product, if you have a product that will help them get even more desired results. You get that? So that's important, that you provide them with ebooks or case studies or a webinar or a video or a series of video or a consultation. So people, right now, I want you to think and write over here, what will be your lead magnet in this case? What is going to be your lead magnet in this case? I want all of you to write it. Please do it. You understand that, because they are not getting anything because of that testimonial. Personal branding, because of the personal branding, they will give you their leads. But what are you going to provide to them? That is what is the thing over here. I have created a personal brand, right? But what am I going to give to them so that they will give me their database? Like what I gave was, all of you remember, what I gave people was a free of cost course. Very few people do it. Very few people have the capacity of doing it. It requires a lot of effort. It requires you to put in a lot of money, but we did it. We still did it, right? So this was my lead magnet. And this was a rock solid lead magnet. Nobody would say, oh man, I did not get anything valuable. They got something which is worth a lot of money, which is worth a lot of value. So that is what you need to use so that you can get people to give them their database or to give you the leads. So you can use ebooks or case studies or webinars or videos or series of videos, or you can give a consultation, or you can have a free course. All these can be used as your ebooks, as your lead magnets. All right. So the task for you over here is make a video and write notes on the topic types of lead magnet. Types of lead magnet. Please note it down, everyone.